Hi guys, we received this VOCOlinc slim tag that works with Apple Find My, so you can have it in your wallet and track it. So let's open it, see what's inside. First we have a look at the instruction manual, and this is the tracker. Okay, so I'm gonna go open my Apple Find My so I can connect it to the VOCOlinc and show it how it works. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is first open Apple Find My, press on other item and turn it on. Okay, now it's on. Okay, find it. Now I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna put it like VOCOlinc so I can know and be sure what this is. And so it's gonna be on my wallet. I'm gonna put the money emoji. Okay, continue. It's setting up. And now it's ready. Here it is. I can play a sound with it to find it, which is really nice. It appears in here, and I can get the directions, anything I want. I can set it in lost mode, which is really nice. Here in the manual you get all the specifications, all the functions, and it's really nice. You can have it in your wallet so you can always track it, and I like it a lot. And I will actually really recommend it. It's great to have it with you in case, well, if you just had a player tag, just one, you can leave it that in your, I don't know, in your backpack, and this in your wallet, which is extremely useful in many kinds of situations, which I would, well, I'm not gonna say I tend to lose my wallet. So now with the slim tag, I ain't gonna lose it no more because I can find it with the Apple Find My, and I can make it to play the sound. So I can find it when I lose it, which is really nice, and I would really recommend it. See ya!